Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible now? Yes. Yesterday, before we are installing Oracle software, some terminology better to know. That's why yesterday I told no. Every Oracle version having about 4 editions, but 2 editions I told no. One is Express edition, another one is Enterprise edition. In these 2 editions, by default, username is system and installation time, whatever password you are providing, those passwords only available in aware in that session, but you are trying to change about those passwords also after installation. I will tell you. Up to that one we are discussing about yesterday. But what is this Express edition? What is this Enterprise edition? Business scenario side I will tell you today. Why? Because you are a first time newcomer, means technical terminology you don't have an idea. Whatever technical concepts you have an idea, means so many differences are there, but I am not interested to tell technical concepts wise. At least business side I will tell you. Suppose what is Express edition, means concentrate here. Suppose 1 minute, observe here. For example, I'm working a Java developer. I'm working in a company in a Java developer, for example. In my project, I try to write some coding in a JDBC. JDBC project is there. Okay, for example. But unfortunately, in this JDBC project side, compulsory, I have to use one database. But my client asking Oracle database. For example, Oracle database. Here stored procedure, something is there, don't worry. But unfortunately, here higher authority persons are there in a Java side. Those persons are interested to purchase a what? Original Oracle software, because company side means they are interested to purchase original softwares from Oracle Corporation. Suppose here a higher authority persons contact Oracle Corporation, for example. In that case, they're asking, which edition do you want? Here, Oracle database having a 2 editions are there. Which edition do you want? They're asking, for example. One is Express edition. Another one is what? Enterprise edition. But unfortunately, 90% of the companies are Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end application softwares they are developing, means especially web-based application side, they are interested to purchase Express edition only. 80% of the companies. Why Express edition only they are interested to purchase Java, .NET, Python, these type of programmers, means reason is there. Express edition cost is very low compared to cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. Why Express edition cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition, means reason is there. Express edition does not support all Oracle features. Suppose it does not support all Oracle features, means maybe this is suitable in a way Java side, Python or .NET or any front-end application PHP side. Yes. Why? Because those Java programmers or PHP programmers or .NET programmers or Python programmers are not required to use all the features in a Oracle database. Not required really. Suppose you are a Java developer, anybody working professionals are there in our class, you are using a what? Only stored procedures in a PLSQL or TSQL. Stored procedures you are using, joins you are using. Sometimes you are using raise underscore application underscore error. Again, some constraints, primary key, those type of concepts only we are allowed to use. In those databases, either any relational databases also, those concepts are common concepts. That's why those common concepts they're embedded in a way in Express edition side. Okay, na? Yeah. Now again observe here. Suppose you are a first time newcomer, you don't have an idea, those are all the things. Oh, maybe cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. But unfortunately, why I am telling about your purpose also Express edition, Enterprise edition, means in Express edition only one user is there. What is that user? System is a user or sys is a user. These are admin users. In this user, any predefined tables are not available. EMP, DEPT, sal, grade, bonus, these type of tables are not available. And also so many features are not supported, means how you are understandable, you are a first time newcomer, means always anybody having idea Windows side recycle bin is a concept is there, no? Same like a Windows recycle bin, here also recycle bin is there in a Oracle side. Whenever we are starting classes means you are understandable, but that recycle bin concept is not there in aware in Express edition. That's why some features say same like a recycle bin, so many features are there that is not supported. But unfortunately, you are a first time newcomer. Yesterday, users, you have an idea? No? Yes, based on that knowledge, oh, maybe Scott user is not available, HR user is not available, extra users are not available in Express edition, only system user only available or sys user only available. You have an idea, means enough. Or any predefined tables also not available. But unfortunately, which persons are interested to practice a what? Practice a Express edition means who are working in a Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end application developers, otherwise web-based application developers are interested to use a what? Express edition. Company side also 80% of the case Express edition only these persons because of the cost. And now here, observe it here, same theory they are providing, just you are reading this one also, you are understandable. In Oracle, Express edition does not support all Oracle features. Example, recycle bin is not available in Express edition. Express edition cost is very low compared to Enterprise edition. Express edition does not have any predefined tables. Express edition only having one user system or sys only in a feature admin users. Generally, Express editions are used to connect client applications like Java, .NET, Python, PHP, etc. Simple, no? Your reading also you are understandable, but first time is terminology difficult, expression, interpretation like that. Take a snap this one, newcomers. Take a snap. Through the mobile, take a snap. Okay, na? Next, in our class side, today or tomorrow, you are installing our enterprise edition. Okay, I'm agree. But better to know this express edition also. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, observe it here. Concentrate here. Completed. Did you complete this one? Yeah. Now check it out. Enterprise edition. Very, very important. Through this edition, settings also, I will tell you today. Because today or tomorrow you are installing Oracle software. That's right. And now check it out. Actually, main editions in every database, either Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL, enterprise editions are main editions. Main editions are called enterprise editions, actually, terminology side. But how you are understandable, you are a first time newcomer means concentrate here. Suppose I am working in a where in a company, for example, but I am working in a where data warehousing project. That is pure database project. Suppose Informatica. Anybody have an idea? Informatica is a tool I'm working, for example. Otherwise, Talent is a tool I'm working. Otherwise, I'm working as a what? Oracle apps, ERP side, I try to work. Suppose I am working, for example, pure database means PLSQL developer. PLSQL developer job. These all persons are uses a what in a company side 100% enterprise edition. Why? Because here all the Oracle features are required because these are pure database projects. But enterprise edition cost is very high. I'm agree. Original software side. We are installing pirated software, but original software side, enterprise edition cost is very high compared to where Express edition. Business scenario side is maybe they're dividing like this under their marketing strategies in a companies. Okay, yeah, enterprise edition cost is very high compared to where Express edition. But unfortunately, how I am telling you what this one means enterprise edition. Suppose here this enterprise edition why cost is very high means maybe logically simply we are thinking all features it will be supported. Oracle all features it will be supported. Okay, recycle bin is there, all the things are there. Don't worry. Okay. And also observe here why learners also better to know enterprise edition means enterprise edition having extra users along with Express edition. Scott is a sorry along with system user. Yes, Scott is a user is there, HR is a user is there. Maybe these two users you have an idea. I think on academic career side also. In this Scott user only, predefined tables are available. Okay, EMP, DEPT, sal grade, bonus. Through these tables, learners also very quickest way, very fastest way, they are understandable all relational databases. That's why here maybe yesterday I am asking which user do you have any idea means Scott user. Some fellows are telling you this is an extra user. Some fellows are HR users. Tables also they have an idea, but most of the 90% of the worldwide employees are good at what Scott schema tables. These are well normalized tables. And now observe here, same theory they are providing only. And now check it out. Here observe here, Enterprise Edition supports all Oracle features. Enterprise Edition cost is very high compared to Express Edition. Enterprise Edition also having extra users like Scott, HR. In Scott user, by default username is Scott and password is Tiger. I will change that one password also, don't worry. And now Scott user also having following predefined tables. Why I am telling you what without logically these tables means through these tables also you are setting environment of the SQL plus tool. Why? Because SQL plus tool, anybody attending a what yesterday class means SQL plus tool default tool I told no. Yeah, learners are learning a what through that tool only subject. Okay, but SQL plus tool having some problems. Those problems we are rectifying by using a what today some environment setting commands through these tables easily understandable newcomers. That's why I am also copying a what those tables only. Take a snap this one. Very good, Ajay. You are working in ATL tool. Yes. Completed this tool. Just in a future you are familiar these all the things, but first time newcomer purpose is anybody reading interested means I'm taking a want small theory. Okay, yeah, take a snap. Very good. Okay, anybody not taking a want PDFs and videos, better to take a snap through mobile. No? Yeah. And next observe here, concentrate here. Now pure database project side means enterprise edition. Okay, in our class also I try to install in a next class or today class the enterprise edition only. Okay, don't worry, because more features better to learn. Otherwise thought user through these tables through easily understandable so many concepts. Okay, yeah, first observe it here, concentrate, screen observe it. Whenever I'm working in a where some concepts in a way in my database. For example, like this. Suppose in a previous classes, 3 o'clock, I am telling you what these are all the things. Okay, don't worry. Okay, yeah. In that case, suddenly in my project, which user I am working in a way, which user I want to view means just here show space user is a command is there. Every statement ends with a what semicolon. Observe it here. What is a user is there or not? Oh, maybe which user you are working. If you want to know means maybe projects have different users. Okay, the administrator giving their own okay, in a user also in a sometimes in a project different user, sometimes in a different user they are giving only. In that case, I want to view which user you have to connect to the server means show space user semicolon you are typing means automatically that user is displayed. Suppose screen observe it. Here, suppose Murali, my name only. Now check it out. Now show space, sorry, show space user. I'm typing semicolon. Automatically Murali is a user. It will be displayed or not. That's why Murali means I am creating a what my own users. In a future, you are also creating one of these days, not today. And now observe it here. That's why if you want to view current user means what is the syntax? In SQL prompt, show space user, either small letter, capital letter, anything, not a case sensitive language. This one, anything also we are typing. Okay, now take a snap this one because in a future this is helpful. Some comments better to know because environment settings are there. Take a snap fastly. Did you complete this one? Yeah, very good. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Now observe it here. Suppose daily I am also here also working in a where company side. These are all the things. Suppose I want to clear the screen. If you want to clear the screen means just one command is there. Anybody having idea Java programmers? Very good. In enterprise edition, CL space SCR semicolon, you are typing means possible. Here daily SQL PL SQL coding you are writing only. Maybe in a next week onwards you are also attending a what a PL SQL Monday onwards. Maybe okay, they are announcing. Don't worry. And now here in that case you are writing coding means I want to clear the screen means CL space SCR semicolon. Then automatically clear the screen or not? Yes, CR. Now better to know this one also. To clear screen, take a snap. CL space SCR semicolon. Completed this one. Very good. And now concentrate here. Very important. Suppose cart user is there. No? In that user, which tables are available? Maybe daily I am creating my own tables in so many classes side. Otherwise, predefined tables are there, EMP, DPT, those all the things I want to view means just we are typing a what one SQL language command is there. Next classes side after installation, we are learning a what SQL language only. In that one, select a star from tab is a command we are typing only tab. Yes, subject here, select star from tab. Tab is a synonym. What is that one? Today, don't ask only. Just later you are understandable. Oh, maybe some command is there. Select star from tab semicolon. This SQL language command through we are viewing a what? Which tables are available in that user. Suppose in that user, not in a database. Observe here. Suppose Murali user. Which tables are available? I want to view means select star from tab semicolon. Okay, na? Yeah, here observe here. Only one table is there. A is a table. But here you are observing or not in a Scott user, so many tables are there or not. Here predefined tables also there, no DPT, bonus, dummy, EMP, like this also. Our own tables in daily classes side. And now to view all tables of a particular user means syntax select star from tab. And also this example, I am typing only select star from tab semicolon means EMP, DPT, sal grade, bonus. Here onwards environment settings you are understandable. Take a snap this one also. Take a snap fastly. Very good. Now observe it here. Concentrate here. Actually, why I am telling this one means now SQL plus tool environment problems. Before we are starting a what? Our career in a Oracle database side, compulsory we must familiar SQL plus tool settings. Otherwise, you are unable to handle the projects properly. That is a problem. That's why today we are telling what are those problems only, important problems I will tell you. Suppose EMP is a table is there, no? If you want to view this particular table information, means select a star from EMP. Again, DPT table, you want to information means you want to view information means in a future, select star from DPT. We are typing only, okay, no, don't worry. But DPT is a small table, EMP is a little bit of big table, Oracle provided. Whenever these type of small tables we are try to display properly displayed in SQL plus tool, but whenever we are try to display EMP is a big table, it does not display properly. Why it is not displayed properly? How we are rectifying that problem? Today I will tell you. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why first observe it here. I want to view particular table means select a star from table name is a syntax. Don't worry, What is these things means? SQL language commands in a future. Okay, no, don't worry. And now here to view particular table means maybe so many Java developers are having idea. Select star from table name semicolon only. And now take a snap this one. Particular table. To view particular table. Syntax select star from table name. Completed this one? Yeah. Now onwards, screen observe it different. Now onwards, practically slowly observe it here. Suppose already I installed Oracle software in my system. Whenever I installed Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is created. Yesterday I told, okay, no, don't worry, any newcomers are there. Just I'm opening a what SQL plus tool. Here, any user, extra, I'm installing, okay, enterprise edition. That's why I try to type Scott user, for example, okay, no? Yeah. Here, predefined tables are there in that user. One of the predefined table, I want to interested to view, select star from DEPT. There is no problem. There is no problem. Small tables displayed properly. Observe it here. Oh, maybe this is a table. These are called columns only. These are called rows. Everyone understandable. Okay, na? Yeah. Why? Because visibility is more clear. Oh, these are columns. These are rows. Easily understandable. But unfortunately, in SQL plus tool, not another tool side. SQL plus tool, what is the problem? Whenever we are trying to display big tables, it does not display properly. EMP is a table, Oracle provided little bit of big table. That's why I try to type that one. Now check it out. Select star from, what is the table name is there? EMP. Screen observe it, press enter key. Whenever I try to type a what, this EMP table, it does not display properly. Observe it here, yes. Here gaps are displayed. Why these gaps means I will tell you here. But same like a small tables, these big tables also I want to display properly means I will tell you, don't worry today. But before that one, why these big tables, so many tables does not display properly in SQL plus tool means SQL plus tool having environment settings. Default settings are there, but you are changing those settings, then automatically these tables are also displayed properly. Suppose what they are telling in a Oracle Corporation books we are referring, in a Google you are referring means what they are telling a Oracle Corporation means each and every line, this is a line only, okay? Each and every line having maximum 80 bytes. 80 bytes means each and every character is a 1 byte, each and every space is a 1 byte in a Oracle. In SQL plus tool, each line having a what? A maximum 80 bytes. Suppose here, 1 minute, observe it here. Yes, here maximum 80 bytes only. Whenever any line in our table having a more than 80 bytes, at least 1 byte, 1 character extra thing is there, then the next columns are displayed in a next line. That's why in this case, this table is a little bit of big table, EMP table. Here, this table displayed a what? A department number column in the next line. That's why these gaps are generated. To overcome this problem, Oracle provided SQL plus tool environment settings. How we are using what those settings means, set is a command is there. A set, suppose what is the time now I want to view means set a time on in a feature. Okay, yeah. Here automatically time is displayed or not. Oh, 4 o'clock, 39 minutes, 36 seconds or not. I want to off the time means set a time off. These type of commands are there in SQL plus tool. Don't worry. Same like, if you want to set environment in a SQL plus tool means set is a command. Here line or line size More than 80 bytes means 100,000, anything I'm typing. Then automatically, just observe it here. I try to type select star from EMP. Then automatically this table also displayed properly or not? Yes. Oh, maybe something is there. This is called SQL plus tool settings. You are reading also, you are understandable. Again, another problem is there, I will tell you. First, observe it here. Suppose I'm typing a what example, select star from EMP semicolon, EMP table. In a tomorrow, you are also installing, after that one, you are also typing like this. Don't worry. Now, observe here, you are reading this 1 minute only. In SQL plus tool, by default, each line having maximum how many bytes? 80 bytes. In our table, any line having more than 80 bytes, then the table does not display properly. To overcome this problem, then we must set line size SQL plus environment variable by using a following syntax they are giving. Set a line size in a number or set a line in a number. Spaces are there. Once we are using like this, then automatically correctly working only. Okay, yeah. Take a snap this one. In future, very easy, but first reading purpose, this notes is helpful. Did you complete this one? Fast. Take a snap. Completed. Very good. And now this one also take a snap. Oh, I am giving award more than 80 means 100. You are giving 1000, 10,000, anything your own. Complete this one. And now observe it here. Concentrate. Again, another problem is there. What is that one means? Screen observe it. Screen observe it. SQL plus tool only problem. Not only our class side. Any SQL plus tool, original software also same problems. Observe it here. Concentrate. Now check it out. Employee number is a column is there now. After that one, some data is there, no, you are observing or not. Again, this column name is repeated. You are observing or not. Here, E name is a column is there. Again, some data is there. This is a data. Again, column name is repeated. Why this is repeated? Again, observe here. Job is a column is there. Some data is there. Again, this column name is repeated. Why this is repeated means Oracle Corporation telling this is called page, page, page. Each page, observe here. Each page having a what? Maximum 14 lines they are giving. Column heading also, dot, 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 these type of lines also, one line only, don't worry. Each page in a SQL plus tool having how many maximum, how many rows? 14 rows. Whenever our table having a what? More than 14 lines, then it will be treated as a new page. That's why column names are repeated. To overcome this problem, you are a good professional, you are interested to use a what environment settings, then big tables also properly displayed. What is the setting means? A set page size is a predefined environment variable is there. Now after that one, any size 100,000, 10,000. In our class, 50 I'm giving, maybe more than 50 lines also not there in anywhere in my tables. Okay, yeah. Now here observe it here. Select star from what is the table name is there? EMP. That's why here you are observing or not. Once you are good at what environment settings means, one of these days you are reading also, you are understandable. Don't worry. Then these type of big tables also displayed properly or not, same like a small tables. That's why better to know these settings only. And now check it out, observe it here. In SQL plus tool, by default each page having a what? A maximum 14 rows. Whenever our table having more than 14 lines, then automatically column names are repeated in a table. To overcome this problem, then we must use SQL plus tool page size environment variable by using following syntax. What is the syntax? Set page size in a number. Take a snap fast. These are small settings.
One fellow is asking, well, Agrawal asking, Murli sir, how can we download 19? See, I will tell you, don't worry. Okay, na? Next class that downloading, installing. Okay, na? Don't worry. Installation, I will tell you. Here, installation process is there. Don't worry. Before that one, this terminology is required. Okay, that's why. Up to now, we are not starting, but fastly, that's why I'm telling. Why? Because we are reading this one, we easily understandable later. Completed fast. Did you complete this one? Okay. Next, this one also take a snap. I am giving a 50. You are giving anything also now. Okay. Examples. Someone is asking Murli sir, sir, major differences between 10C and 9C. 10C is not there, 10G is there. Okay. 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C. So many softwares are there. Suppose 10G is a regular expressions, new concepts are there. Like that, okay, 19C. So many technical concepts are there. Suppose 11G means continuous statement is there. So many things are there, but technically knowledge is required. Okay, yeah. Development side, administration side different, development side different. Practically, you are understandable. Those all the things. Completed this one. Yeah. Now observe it here. Suppose I am a olden days programmer. Really, I'm a olden days programmer. Whenever I'm working in a company side, each and every time, set a line 100, set a line, set a page size like this only. These commands we are using daily. Maybe SQL plus tool. Sometimes we are using in a project side. But nowadays, you are a latest programmer. You are a maybe 19C, maybe okay 21C, maybe 23C. You are learning, for example, latest programmer you are. In that case, what they are telling about Oracle Corporation, not required to use page size these commands only. 18C onwards, simple technique is there. What is that one? Means 18C. 18C software onwards, latest feature is there in SQL plus tool. That's why I'm telling these all the things. Now check it out. Suppose you are a latest programmer, 19C, 18C, 21C, 23C. These type of latest versions you are installing. Tomorrow you are installing 19C also. Don't worry, I will tell you. Now, suppose you are typing a what this one, username, password like this. But your table, EMP table, these big tables not displayed properly, for example. Okay, yeah. Here, this table does not display properly. Also, don't afraid. Set line size, set a line, okay, in a number, set page in a number, not required. Simple technique is there. Set line, a new command they are providing. Window is a command. That command only take care by the server automatically adjust the what window your table only window size dynamic. That is the beauty only. This is the latest concept. This is not there whenever I'm working in a very in a previous classes, right? And now check it out. Now observe it here. Within fraction of second, window is the latest command is there or not? That is the latest feature in SQL plus tools, right? That's why latest program are very easy. Oracle 18C. 18C software announced. Oracle 18C introduced window option along with the set line size command. Here, what is that one? Set line size window semicolon. In this case, this command dynamically change displayed output to fit the screen or window size. Server take care. Okay, yeah. Whenever we are using this command, you are not required to use page size command. Okay, yeah. Very easy, no? Very good. Some fellows are using this one, but latest software side this one. Take a snap. Anybody interested in this? Otherwise, olden days concepts of line size, page size, you are typing working, but the latest also better to know. No? Yeah. Did you complete this one? Yeah, very good. Now observe it here. One fellow is asking, Murli sir, set page size window can we write? No. Why? Because they are providing a rules only. Okay, na? Yeah. Set line size only we are using. Okay, na? Yeah. Now check it out. when we are using this command, then we are not required to use space size command. They are telling only. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate. These are all predefined. Okay. Yeah. Now check it out. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Murli sir, what is this one? I want to view these all SQL plus, not SQL language, SQL plus tool commands. Suppose some fellows are setting environment. Otherwise, default values I want to view means one command is there. What is that one means? Screen observe it. Show space all is a command. Semicolon. Whenever we are typing a what, a show space all, oh, maybe so many SQL plus tool commands and also default settings. Otherwise, explicitly any developers are setting environment. Those all the things it will be displayed. These are all the things you are not using. And now here just you are interested to view this one means yes possible. This is not a SQL language command, SQL plus tool commands. Okay, in this tool side. That's why yesterday diagrammatically tool I told no fastly. Yeah. Now here observe here. This one here, if you want to view all predefined SQL plus tool environment commands and related default values, then we are using following syntax: show space all. Okay, these environment settings are enough. Then only we are starting a what installation process. What are the prerequisites of a Oracle and how you are installing what this Oracle software? Again, so many settings are there. Those are all the things. So tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow we are completing a what installation process. Then only practically we are starting a what SQL language. So can utilize this knowledge only. So many fellows are learning a what a proper way. Once you are good at what environment, your own way, some commands you are typing after maybe 1 week after, okay, good knowledge you are getting means, then you are only practicing so many queries. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow will continue. Thank you. Don't miss those classes only up to 10 days. Okay, yeah. Because first initial stage means you don't have an idea anything. Just slowly you are understandable one by one. Okay. Non-technical person also fastly I'm telling also don't worry because these are pre-class. Yeah. Okay. Easily you're reading also understandable. Okay. Very good. Tomorrow will continue.